Hi friends, my name is Raj and you are watching TechWhite. This video is all about how to convert your JPG, PNG and PDF file in BMP format. In this video, I will show you all these format and I will convert all these format in BMP format. For this, you don't need any software. You just open this file, open with it with Paint. Then click on Save As, and here you can see you can save this file in BMP pictures. Here you can type anything. I will type his name and save it. Now you can see this file is converted to BMP file, BMP format. Same as if you want to convert this file into JPG or PNG, you can open this file on Paint, go to Save As, and here you can see you can convert this BMP file in JPG or PNG. I will convert this in PNG format, and you can see now this file has been converted in PNG format. You can see this, it's a PNG file. Okay, now I will show you how to convert your PDF file in BMP format. For this, you have to open this PDF file. First I will show you the PDF file. That's a PDF file. To convert this PDF file in BMP format, you have to open this PDF in Acrobat. Here's I opened this file in Acrobat. Now click on File, Save As. First you have to do is you have to save this PDF file in JPG format. You can see this JPG format or in PNG format. After that we will convert that PNG or JPG file in BMP format. I will save this file in JPG format. Click on Save. Now you can see the PDF file has been converted to JPG format. I will open this now. Yes. After that I will apply the same activity. Open this file in Paint format. Then Save As BMP. Save. Here you can see you don't need any software to convert these JPG, PNG or PDF file in BMP format. And you can also convert your BMP file in JPG, PNG or PDF format. You just need a Paint application which is already installed in your operating system. Thanks for watching TechWhite.